With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
At one end A of the diameter AB of a circle radius 5 cm tangent XAY is drawn to the circle, then find the length of the chord CD which is parallel to XY at a distance 8 cm from point A. So first of all we will draw the figure according to the given data, that is we have a circle. Let the center of this particular circle is O, and we have given that is the radius of this circle is a 5 cm. So we will meet this point to this. So this is the radius, that is a 5 cm. So here we have given the diameter is AB. This point is A, this point is B. When we meet to this. So this is the AB is the diameter and 5 cm is the radius of this particular circle, and we have also given that is the tangent XAY is drawn to the circle. Tangent XAY, so definitely tangent will be passed through point A. So when we draw the tangent, then the tangent will be this. So let's suppose this tangent XAY, and here we have also given that is the find the length of the chord CD which is parallel to the XY at a distance of 8 cm. So we will draw a chord. Let's suppose this is chord. This is chord CD. The distance of chord CD from the tangent XY is given, that is 8 cm. So this distance is given to us, that is 8 cm. 8 cm. So here we have to find the length of the chord CD. So first of all we know that is angle OAY is equal to 90 degree, because we know the property of the circle, that is a tangent of a circle is perpendicular to its radius at a point of contact. And here we also know the another property, that is the angle OAY and plus angle O. Let's suppose this point is E, and angle OED will be equal to 180, because this is the co-interior angle. So the sum of the co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. Write down this property, that is sum of co-interior angle is 180. So we can write it as angle OAY plus angle OED, it will be equal to 180. So here we have already calculated the value of angle OAY is 90 degree and plus angle OED equal to 180. So when we find the value of angle OED, then it will be 180 minus 90. So the value of angle OED equal to 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. If this angle is 90, so this angle will be also 90. If we draw the center to point C a line, so this is nothing but the radius of the circle, that is 5 cm. And here if we find OE, that is this OE, so OE is nothing but OE, then it is equal to AE minus AO. And here we have given that is AE is 8 cm and minus AO is the radius of the circle, that is 5. So OE will be equal to 3 cm. So here if we talk about the triangle OCE, it is a right angle at a point E. So by using Pythagoras theorem, so the given triangle is a right angle at point C, at point E. So the opposite side is a hypotenuse. So the Pythagoras theorem says the hypotenuse square is equal to, that is OC square is equal to sum of the square of the other two sides, that is CE and OE, that is CE square and plus OE square. And here we have OC, that is the radius of the circle, that is 5, square equal to the CE, and CD. CE we have to calculate, so CE square, and plus OE is the 3 centimeter we have already find. So when we simplify this, then we will get CE square is equal to 25 minus 9, then CE square is equal to 16. So when we take a square root, then it will be CE equal to square root of 16. So the value of CE it will be 4. So in the given figure we can see that is OE is perpendicular to chord CD, and OE is passes through the center. So here we know the another property of the circle, that is if we draw perpendicular, if we draw a perpendicular from the center of a circle, to any chord, then it bisect the chord. So by using this theorem we can say CE will be equal to ED. And here in the given question we have to find the value of the chord CD. So if we find the value of chord CD, so CD equal to 2 into CE, and here we have already calculated the value of CE, that is 4. So the value of CD, it will be CD equal to 8 centimeter. This is the value which we have to find. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.